This is a shooting test for the Echo 1 Red Star AK-47. I'm going to be standing at 25 feet, and then I'll move back to 50 feet. I'll shoot about 10 rounds at the 25 and 10 rounds at the 50. And then I'll come up and show you if I hit them or not. Okay, so let me go get set and I'll go shoot. I just shot 10 shots at the 25 foot target. There is a hit right there. Hit right there. Hit right there. Hit right there. And a hit right there. Oops. And right there. So as you can see, it's kind of low on the targeting. But now I'll go do 10 shots at the 50 foot mark target, and then I'm going to do 3 seconds of full auto on each one after I do the 10 shots on the 50 foot. Okay, so let me go get set and I'll go shoot. Just shot 10 shots at the 50 foot mark. 50 foot target, nah, you know what I mean. There's a hit right there, hit right there, hit right there, hit right there. And this one I mainly missed, but 2 were high and 1 was low. Now I'm going to go 3 seconds of full auto on the 25, and then I'll come back, show you, do 3 seconds of the full auto on the 50 foot. Just did 3 seconds of full auto on the other one, and as you can see, I think the holes are bigger on this one. They're mainly to the right. So now I'll go do 3 seconds of full auto on the 50 foot target. Just shot 10 seconds of full, or 3 seconds of full auto on the 50 foot target. There's 2 right there, I can tell because I remember what the old ones were. And there's 1 right there, so I mainly missed on the 50 foot. So, as you can see, the Red Star AK-47 Echo 1 is really good for like 25 to maybe 40 feet. You're not going to hit your target dead on, but you may hit them in the arm or leg or something. Just not in the chest, maybe. I don't know, but thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.